and welcome back to your girl with BB's Crafts. Thanks so much for hanging out. We are on the last group of the embellishment box swap that I hosted over on Coffee, Cake, and Crafting. And this first one comes from Kim, and I'm not sure if she has social media, but I was trying to see if there was. But and then also I was trying to figure out where this fell out of as well. But this is how her swap comes. Really pretty, like shabbiness. We have this cute little birdie, and then she has a little flower cluster. She has some stick pins in there. She has a little flower on the closure, and then it's very, very pretty color combos here. And I'm just trying to figure out where this came from. I'll do a quick little glimpse through of what she is sending you guys. Again, I'm still trying to figure out where the stickers go. I'm guessing maybe the stickers are for me as like a hostess gift. So it's by One Canoe 2. I love that collection. Really, really pretty. So I'm going to assume that's what it's for. I will message her just to make sure. But she did a little drawer pull at the top. And here is the inside of it. We have some fun little resin pieces. We have flowers. And then we have some more of these little mini flowers here. We have some wood veneer pieces, some resin flowers and owls, some trim, and then we have like kind of like that like confetti pieces. We have some more little wood veneers. Here are some, what's the word I'm looking for? Shucks, I can't think of it. It just left me. And then she's also gifted some stick pins and ribbon. And then she has little bullnose clips in here. So very pretty. Love the colors that you use. And so that one is Kim. And just hold on tight for the next one. And the next one we have up is Carol Epting. And honestly, I'm not sure if she has social media either. But this is how her packages come. And ladies, if you see these in your packages, these are from Carol. These cute little butterfly and like flower and bird stickers here. She does have them personalized, and there's a belly band on them as well. And let's go ahead and take a closer look because she made one for me. So this is the one that she made for me, and here are the stickers again. Super, super cute. And then she has the Let's Go Everywhere little globe right there. And then again, she has the cute, actually I think I have this upside down maybe. She has this really cute belly band where she added the lace all the way around. And then she did a crepe paper rosette, added some tulle, and then did some more lace, a rosette, and then this little bead cluster at the top. So super cute. And then she opens up like this, and then she has a little pocket here. Very pretty paper that she used. And then it just pulls out like this. This is awesome. She's one of those messy crafters, not in a bad way. The ones who have no problem getting their fingers dirty. I can't. And but she did like some chalk painting, and then she has this cute little floral monogram, and then she added a name in the center. How cute! And she even painted the pink at the bottom. And then we open her up. Look at all of this fun stuff here. So we have some different charm pieces. These are cute. Y'all know me, I'm a sucker for a butterfly. Oh, look at that one. And look at this pretty bead. Look at that. That is so pretty. These are really, really pretty. I have not seen these. And then here we have a little charm that she made. These are so unique. I've never seen these. We have another little piece here. Have another little bead charm that she made up. These are so cute. They look like collectibles, not something that you would use. So thank you for that. And then here she's added some adhesive pot dots. I think these fell, or these, no, these belong in here. And then there's some little gemmy pieces here with some buttons. And then she also did some paper flowers and like my favorite colors. Then we have some different adhesive blings. We have the hearts and flowers, and oh, so cute. We have some pinks, and oh, this one's pretty. Oops, just dropping everything. And then we have the little roses right there. So super cute. And then here we have this little bead cluster. So this is what she has on the top of her belly band here. So they're these little bead clusters. These are cool and take a lot of patience. Something I wouldn't have. Look at those. These are so cute, little bead flowers. How cute. And then here she has some the adhesive bling, and she has it in this little champagne color, and then she has it in the little blue. I don't want to unravel it and have to figure out how to get it back in. Yeah, I know, I'm lazy. And then here we have some ribbon pieces. We have some lace here. Oh no! Get back. It was like all nice and perfectly rolled. And we have this really pretty lace piece right there. I'm going to have to put those to the side so I can get it back in. And then here we have the little rosette flower. We have a butterfly. And then we have some paper flowers here. More little burlap flowers. So very cute. See if I can collect all of these and put it back the way it was. And then she made and distressed up some little butterflies here and added little pearls into the centers. And then she also made up a sequin mix. It has like moons, stars, and then some purples and blues and greens. Very cute. And then here we have these cute, I have not seen them in silver, these little rolled flowers. I remember Ida, Created to Create, she makes these. You can buy these, like, you know, over in like the sewing section and stuff, but she makes them as well. And I thought that was pretty cool. Again, something I don't have patience for. And then we have some bows. Brads! That's the word I was looking for. Brads. She has some brads in here. These cool little square brads. These are cute. And then we just have some bling. We have a little flower brad. We have some more little paper flowers. And then she had some of this little tube. I've seen it in these colors. The little tube filler things. Ones where we get them from like Dollar Tree, but I have not seen that color, so that might not be from Dollar Tree. So thank you so much, Carol, for participating. And guys, hold on tight before the last. And last but not least, we have Nikki Wilson, and you can find her as Simply Home by Nikki. This is how her stuff comes packaged. This must have ripped in transit, and so I'm gonna seal it down just so nothing gets messed up. But this is how it looks. All is Maggie Holmes fun. I want to say this is Sunny Days, and so cute. She does have them personalized with a little note. And sit back tight, guys, because she did. And so this is the one that Nikki had made for me, and I got a note in mine as well. This cute little note card, and then again the information on the swap. And again, you can find her at Simply Home by Nikki. This is all sorts of, oh my gosh, I just love it. Oh, there's things on top of here. I thought that was attached. So we have all of this happiness on here. I love, even though it's a group swap, when you guys still like just add so much fun stuff just to your packaging, it's so sweet. And look at that. So she's gifted some white pom-pom trim, and she decorated the top and bottom. I do love doing this myself. So super cute. And she added a little flower at the top. And then here, look at this cuteness. This is the Sunny Days collection. And she made a shaker, a girl warm to my heart. And she has this wonderful, luscious cluster going on right here. She used the chipboard. She used the flat sticker. She has a crepe paper rosette, little cherries there. Like, oh, just amazing. And then it says, look on the sunny side. She added a bow to her closure, which is a Velcro closure. And then opens up like this. She did create a pocket. She did some stitching on the pocket as well. And inside here, she has included some bag topper samples. So you can go ahead and decorate your own bag topper. So super sweet of you. I do appreciate these because sometimes I just don't wanna. And I do have this collection, so it will come very much handy. And look at that cute bag topper that she did there. It says sunshine, the little gold embossed flower there. So stinking cute. And then here she has a cute little crepe paper flower. That's neat. I like that. And it says, happiness is a way of life. What really matters. Nice. And then she did the fun little tassel at the end with her. She did leave the note that she couldn't resist doing the tassel, and that is a-okay. And look at all the lusciousness. Again, is the colors that she pulled from the collection. She did very, very good job with that, with the golds and then the blues in there and like the teals. And then she did like this is kind of like a soft like burlap. It's really cute. And then on the top here it says you are a peach, and then she used chipboard stickers from the collection, the little car, this cute little crepe paper thingy again. I need to figure that out because that's cute. And so then you open her up, and then we have some little paper flowers here. She has another one right here as well. And then we have the tiniest little bling, pink bling pieces. And then we have the little silver ones, and we have gold and yellow. So cute. And then here she made some ribbon bows. The little thin was this 1/4 inch ribbon, and she used the colors from the collection. So you have that cute navy blue up in there, the white and the pink. Then here she added some of the little resin flowers. These are so cute. I think I have some of these too. Oh, this is from the spring collection at Hobby Lobby. I love those. These are so cute. And then here she has some of that gold trim sample you get from Hobby Lobby as well. We have a little button. Did you make this? Because I believe this paper is in the collection. Did you make that? Nice. And then we have a crocheted heart. Oh, you're a crocheter too. Oh, love it. And then we have cute little tassel here. And then she did some embossing strips. You know, I do have one of these, and I don't play with it. I need to get back into it. But she has some different sentiments on there. So flourish, happiness, and then it says spring, moments, blossom, summer, happy, bloom, peach, lovely, and vibes. So thank you so much for that. It depends on like what kind of machine you have, but like if you have like the hand one that I have, like you get a cramp. So I think that's why I don't use it as often. And then we have these fun looking beads. Look at these. And then she has some of the charms here. Oh, this one says shine bright. And then we just have some more cute little beads, and got a little gold spacer there. And then here she has a mini chunky rosette. Cute! I love these. And then she add I guess it's supposed to say yay, but it's like yaw. I don't know why they did that. And then she has another one right here as well. How stinking cute. And then I already showed that flower. And then she made, this is, I mean, it's like the tiniest little bling pieces, but you can literally use this as like a shaker mix. Like these are so cute, and I didn't even know that they made them this small, like without an adhesive backing. But then she added a charm on the top of there as well. So she has this cute like orangish cracked bead. She has a little mini tassel and then a pink one. She did some bead wrapping as well. This really pretty one. This like takes me back to the Emerald City of Oz. Like, that is so cute. So thank you so much for participating. Again, guys, make sure you go ahead and check out Nikki, who is Simply Home by Nikki. And then if I can find social medias for Carol and Kim, I'll make sure I have those linked down below for you guys. But thank you so much for tuning in for all 5 of these videos. If you by chance have missed out, don't forget to check down below in the description box. I will have the link to those videos down below so you can go show those ladies some love as well. Thanks so much for hanging out with me, and I will see you in the next video. Bye!